So we are going to discuss today the electric field, right? Electric field. But before going into the detail of the electric field, we want to know, or we are going to discuss first, what is field. And I also have put some question in front of you, and you will answer. You will try to answer that question. Okay. So first, what is field? So you know what is field? Its field is simply defined as a field is a reason, you can say, for space. एक स्पेस है, एक रीजन ऑफ स्पेस है जिस स्पेस में हर एक पॉइंट पर यू कैन से each point for which each point is associated with some quantity or with a quantity. Okay, so what is field? I am repeating once again, what is field? Field is nothing but it is the region of space for which each point of that space, let's say this is the one space or this is a region, and in this region each and every point have some value. Okay, and this is known as some field. Okay, let's example, we have the example of, let's say, temperature, or you can say the velocity of water inside a pipe, water in a pipe. Okay, so these are some example. So this type of the example are categorized into two type. First one, you can say, first one is, you can say the scalar field. Okay, and second one is the vector field. So I hope we have already discussed this field. Okay, so in the scalar field, let's say the temperature field, or the distribution of the temperature in a room, distribution of the temperature in a room is a scalar. Let's say this is the value we have decided, let's say the 10 degrees Celsius or 12 degrees Celsius, 13 degrees Celsius, let's say 14 degrees Celsius, 15 degrees Celsius, or 10 degrees Celsius outside the, at the boundary. Okay, and inside the mid, when you're going towards, the temperature will increasing like that. Okay, so this is the situation in this room. So this temperature is nothing but a scalar field. It represents the scalar field. Okay. However, in the case, let's say there is another reason where we have taken the flow of, you can say, so twilight or air. Okay, wind speed, you can say. Okay, so in the wind speed, this arrow, the strength of this arrow, the length of this arrow also denote, the magnitude. Okay, and as the length of this arrow will increases, you can say the strength of this also increases. Okay, so this is the vector, you can say the vector field. Okay, because this have some direction as well as the magnitude. Okay, so one another, you can say, let's say we have another type of the example, uh, the distribution of, you can say, the electron inside at the kernel of this area region. Okay, so let's say one representing, you know the electron is present. If 0 is there, it means there's a no electron present there. Okay, so one represent there is an electron, or 0 means there is a no electron, there is no electron. Okay, so such type of this is also one kind of the field. Okay, now I'm coming to the next part, that is the very that is our uh, you know purpose of the motive, that is the electric field. Electric field. Okay, and in this electric field, so first, as you know that this electric field is very new concept, new, and you can say the central concept. Why it is, why I'm saying this is the, why I'm saying this is the new concept and the central concept? It has some reason. Because, and also, this electric field, this has the foundation. This is the foundation of, EMF theory, electromagnetic field theory. Okay, and the next, you can say, or in this theory, you can say, this is, however, this technique or this study is entirely different. It is very entirely different. It is very different, you can say, from the mechanics what you have studied. Mechanics. Any problem? You can interrupt me at any time, please. Is the voice audible to all of you?
It's audible.
Okay. So in the mechanics, you can say that it is an entirely different concept. Electric field concept is entirely different from the mechanics. How it is different, we will see. However, in the Coulomb's law, we have seen that when the two charges are placed in between some distance, it will attract or repel with some forces. That forces is known as the Coulomb forces. And in the Newtonian physics, we also have seen that when two masses are kept at a distance, then some forces are acting with each other, and that forces, the gravitational force. Okay. So what are how it is different, we will see in a minute. Okay. So, however, the common thing in both the mechanics as well as the electric field, in the mechanics, or you can say in the electric field, the common thing is, no, we are concerned about the forces between the two, you can say, between two or more than two, or no, two or more than two charges, or you can say the object. Okay. So in the first, or in the mechanics, you can say that this forces is due to what? Due to mass. However, in the second case, in the electric field, this is due to the charges. Okay. So the question is now, we are going to define, or we we are taking the help of, you can say, electric field. We are taking the help of electric field in order to define, in order to define ध्यान सुनना, it is very careful, please listen carefully. In order to define the forces due to charge. Question is, since हमारे पास जब ये कूलम्स फोर्सेस डिफाइन कर दिया, अल्टिल अनलेस ये हमने 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 ये एस्टैब्लिश कर दिया कि फोर्स होगा, ठीक है, F1 F2 whatever the force is acting on the between the two charges. So why we need to define this electric field, this new quantity, this field? Okay. So the question is, the concept of this electric field, is very vague, and very abstract, very abstract. But at the same time, but at the same time, but at the same time it is necessary to define. It is necessary to define, you can say, कौन सा क्वांटिटी, इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड, ये डिफाइन करना जरूरी भी है. ओके, मैं आपके सामने कुछ क्वेश्चन रखूंगा जिससे आपको पता चल जाएगा कि व्हाई इट इज नेसेसरी. ओके, in the mechanics, as you know that the forces are exerting between the two object. तो इसके चलते हमने फोर्स, हमने ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स डिफाइन किया. बट हमें कभी भी चार्ज, व्हेन द टू चार्जेस आर Q1 and Q2 are kept, okay, so the question is why we are going to associate the electric field between the two charges. Okay, so however, in the case of Newtonian physics, we are not going to concern about that field, the gravitational field or something else. Okay, so Newtonian field में हमारे पास एक प्रॉब्लम है, that is need for the field, or in Newtonian field, you can say in Newtonian physics or in the Newtonian mechanics, there is a big, you can say, void. और वो कौन सा void है, we are going to discuss, and then we will come to that part, that is the electric field. What is the key idea? That key idea behind that Newtonian physics or Newtonian mechanics. Key idea of Newtonian mechanics. इसको जरा देखो. First or very important, action at a distance. And what is this? Means अगर कोई two objects are keeping at a distance, at any distance, let's say this is the object 1 and this is object 2, so suddenly a force will going to establish in between the two objects, with these two objects. Let's say now we are going to move this object 1 from this point 1. Okay, let's say we are going to move. So as we started the moving this body, the force will suddenly, or you can say automatically, adjust with their distance. Am I right or wrong?
Right, sir.
So you can say that there is a no delay. The force is going to transmit immediately without any delay. Yes or no? समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं आ रहा?
Yes, sir.
So you can say the one act force on 2 and 2 force act on 1 without any delay. Although object 2 or 1 is going to shift in another location, then that immediately the force is going to start adjusting between the 1 and 2 without any delay. Am I right? So
Yes, sir.
ये क्या लगता है आपको कि is it one type of magic or not? ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है? Let's say I am giving one example. And then you can understood it. Second problem है, second fundamental जिसकी आइडिया पे काम करता है. First आपने देखा action at a distance. Action at a distance means immediately action will happen. Second is the F is inversely proportional to the distance. F is inversely proportional to distance. We have seen. और थर्ड प्रिंसिपल है जिस पर काम करता है, मैं भी क्लास में करता हूं बाद में. So act along line connecting to object. So इस तीन प्रिंसिपल पे, these are the three principles on which the Newtonian mechanics will work. So first problem जो हम डिस्कस करना चाह रहे हैं, that problem is the problem with the Newtonian physics or Newtonian view. Problem, you can say problem with Newtonian view. वो क्या problem है? प्लीज सी। पहला पॉइंट है कि दैट इज द एक्शन एट अ डिस्टेंस। एक्शन एट अ डिस्टेंस। Let's say we have two objects. Let's say two objects are situated at a distance of, let's say, 100 light year. 100 light year. Please give me the answer of this question. Let's say, just imagine. Let's say there are two objects A and B, and these objects are situated with a distance of 100 light year. Okay. And now this object is suddenly moving from one point to the another point, or some, you know, some distance. So immediately, as per the rule of the Newtonian mechanics, as per the principle of Newton mechanics, the force will adjust with the distance, with the varying of the distance. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
तो क्या ऐसा आपको लगता है कि ऐसा हो रहा होगा? ये कैसे हो रहा है? How it is going to transmit these forces? Is it possible? So are you convinced with the logic of the immediate action at a distance?
No, sir.
So न्यूटन, बाकी जो बाद में जो साइंटिस्ट, जो बाद में रिसर्चर्स आए, उन्होंने इसको कुछ इस तरीके से देखा कि इट इज लाइक, इट इज लाइक अ मैजिक, इट इज लाइक अ मैजिक, hinted at magic. The question is, here arises some question, how is the force, how is the force transmitted. Okay, so they are explain how they are unable to explain about the moving object force, explaining the moving objects, how this force is going to adjust immediately, instantly, you can say, instantly. And when a stationary body moving, a stationary body moving. So these are some question. जबकि mathematics of the Newtonian mechanics simply tell it will happen, but how it will happen, there is no answer. Okay, so in fact अगर देखा जाए, if you have time, you can uh, read some literature. And Newton also, the the point is, Newton also mentioned such type of problem, such type of void in his book. Newton also mentioned this trouble, you can say, in his book. Okay, second question, and that question is, forces act along the line joining centers, and F is directly proportional to 1 upon D, or inversely proportional to D. What is the problem in this fundamental? Okay, so 2 minutes. Wait a minute.